Tesla's third quarter is already shaping up to break records as buyers hurry to take advantage of the soon-to-expire tax credit. Yet many analysts believe the true impact will come in the fourth quarter. At the center of attention is the much-talked-about low-cost Model Y variant, which many insiders claim is more than 90% likely to be none other than the long-awaited Tesla Model 2. Once this model makes its debut, Tesla will be introducing a more affordable electric vehicle for everyone in the fourth quarter. With a starting price of only $9,875, it is designed as a direct strike into the heart of the mass market. What makes this model even more groundbreaking are 7 mysterious upgrades whispered about by insiders. From nearly impenetrable protection and an almost invisible driver to a battery that seems to last forever, and systems so advanced they could take care of themselves, protect lives in extreme situations, adapt to different jobs, and keep you connected where no one else can, the Tesla Model 2 is set to surprise the world. Before we dive into all these exciting details, welcome you to AMP Drive. If you enjoy exploring the latest Tesla innovations and future technology updates, make sure to subscribe and join the AMP Drive community because your support helps us grow and keeps you updated with the most thrilling stories in the electric revolution. One of the most fascinating features is what Tesla calls the terrestrial armor cover. The Tesla Model 2 is shielded by this advanced protection system, engineered to endure harsh conditions that would normally damage or destroy most compact electric cars. First tested with the Cybertruck, this armor system replaces the usual thin body panels of city cars with a reinforced underbody shield and side guards crafted from hardened steel alloys and aircraft-grade aluminum known as 6061 T6. The hardened steel, with a Brunel hardness rating exceeding 500 HB, is strong enough to absorb impact energy equal to dropping a 50-pound rock from over 40 feet, ensuring that sharp road debris traveling at highway speed cannot penetrate it. The aircraft-grade aluminum parts achieve a strength-to-weight ratio greater than 160 kN per kilogram, which preserves efficiency without adding too much extra weight. The underbody plating acts like professional rally racing armor, forming an unbroken shield capable of deflecting road debris moving at over 70 miles per hour. This level of defense is crucial for protecting the battery pack, one of the costliest parts of an electric vehicle, which today can cost between $7,000 and $15,000 to replace. Side guards inspired by the Cybertruck's exoskeleton combine light aluminum panels with steel ribbing inside, allowing them to withstand compressive forces above 4,000 pounds before showing any permanent deformation. To put that into context, this is more than twice the force generated in a typical city accident at 25 miles per hour. By spreading out the crash energy across multiple reinforced layers, the terrestrial armor cover can save owners thousands of dollars in repair costs throughout the vehicle's lifetime while also preventing frame distortion that would lower safety ratings. With this approach, Tesla has changed the Model 2 from a basic city commuter into a tough investment-grade vehicle equally at home on crowded city roads, gravel routes, or even construction sites. How important is strong long-lasting protection like this when you choose your next car? From 1 to 5, comment your number, where 1 means it is not important at all and 5 means it really matters to you. Another major upgrade is the Ghost Driver. The Tesla Model 2 will feature this next-generation driving system powered by Tesla's latest full self-driving technology, known as FSD version 14. Unlike small improvements in lane keeping or adaptive cruise control, this is a complete leap forward in artificial intelligence driving intelligence. Trained on years of real-world driving data, FSD 14 reacts and makes decisions with human-like smoothness. Its advanced vision-based system runs on Tesla's in-house computer hardware that is capable of 300 trillion operations every second, processing road conditions in real time with millisecond-level speed. This allows it to quickly interpret hazards, read changing traffic, and predict how surrounding cars will move. A key improvement is the massive reduction in false alerts. Previous systems often braked suddenly or changed lanes unnecessarily because of shadows or road markings. Tesla's internal tests show FSD 14 now achieves object classification accuracy above 98%, avoiding needless interruptions and making rides smoother. Ghost Driver also learns continuously. Every Tesla equipped with this system anonymously shares data back to Tesla servers, which allows improvements to spread to the entire fleet through wireless updates. This global learning approach has been shown to improve hazard reaction times by as much as 36% compared to systems without shared learning. For drivers, this means less stress during commutes, calmer traffic experiences, and time to enjoy music, podcasts, or simply relax while the car manages acceleration, braking, and steering naturally. By offering this kind of advanced self-driving experience in such an affordable car, Tesla is transforming everyday travel into something easier, safer, and less tiring. Tesla is also introducing predictive traffic flow artificial intelligence. Unlike normal systems that only react to congestion once you are already stuck in it, this new system can forecast traffic jams up to 45 minutes in advance. It relies on more than 500 terabytes of data collected daily from over 6 million Teslas worldwide. By analyzing factors like speed patterns, braking activity, weather changes, and accident reports, it can suggest alternate routes before traffic begins to form. For a typical United States commuter driving 32 miles round trip each weekday, this could save between 18 and 22 minutes daily, which adds up to more than 80 hours per year. That is nearly 2 full work weeks of time saved. Avoiding stop-and-go traffic also conserves energy. Tesla estimates up to 7% less electricity is used this way. For a Model 2 with a 350-mile range, that equals nearly 245 additional miles each year without recharging. The system works with the battery's thermal management system to further optimize efficiency by avoiding low-speed, high-energy conditions. This can add 12 to 15 extra miles of driving range per charge in cities while reducing battery wear over time. Safety is another benefit. Sudden braking is a leading cause of rear-end collisions, which account for 28% of all accidents in the United States according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. By warning drivers or the autopilot system ahead of time, the Model 2 could prevent thousands of accidents once scaled. With more Model 2 cars on the road, the predictions become even sharper, creating a powerful network effect. If this car could save you up to 22 minutes every day, what would you do with more than 2 hours of extra time every week? The Tesla Model 2 also comes with a utility customization kit that redefines what it means to own a vehicle. Instead of just being transportation, it adapts instantly to your needs. Central to this are specially engineered modular anchor points placed in the frame, cargo floor, and roof rails. These are not simple mounts. Each one is built from high-strength steel and tested to support up to 250 kilograms. That is strong enough to hold a fully packed roof rack, a rooftop tent for 2 adults, or even a portable workstation. The quick-release system allows setups to be changed in less than 10 minutes using only simple tools. This means a weekday commuter car can transform into a weekend camper or a mobile workshop for professionals. Roof bars are made from strong aluminum alloy that resists rust and remains lightweight. Inside, composite panels double as protective cargo liners or as sleeping platforms. The system is do-it-yourself friendly, reversible, and does not require permanent changes to the vehicle. This ensures no warranty issues and no expensive labor. Owners can adapt and personalize freely without risk. Removing unused accessories also helps save weight and improve range, while outdoor enthusiasts benefit from secure mounts for solar panels, storage boxes, or camping equipment. The self-maintenance system is another game-changer. It uses sensors across the vehicle to constantly check for mechanical, electrical, and thermal issues. This includes vibration sensors on the drivetrain, thermal sensors on the battery modules, strain gauges on the structure, and even chemical sensors in the coolant lines. By sampling data up to 1,000 times per second, it can detect problems earlier than dashboard alerts. For example, if a wheel bearing runs hotter than usual, it flags it as an early issue. Similar predictive systems in industry have reduced sudden breakdowns by 70% and cut maintenance costs by 25%. When something happens, the Model 2 decides how to respond. Software issues can be fixed with updates, while hardware problems generate detailed reports in the Tesla app, guiding quick fixes or scheduling a mobile technician. This gives drivers confidence and reduces stress, especially for those far from service centers. For connectivity, the Tesla Model 2 is equipped with rural satellite technology. This ensures drivers can stay connected even outside cell coverage. The low-profile antenna on the roof connects with low Earth orbit satellites between 500 and 1200 kilometers away. This gives faster response and lower delay compared to traditional satellites. Emergency texts and location data can be sent in less than 15 seconds. The system focuses on emergency use, like sending GPS coordinates, preset alerts, or minimal voice data when cellular signals are not available. The United States Federal Communications Commission has noted that over 22% of American land still lacks reliable mobile service. In such areas, having satellite capability could save lives by allowing stranded drivers to call for help. It also allows check-ins during camping trips or off-grid journeys. Paired with the Model 2's survival mode, it creates a safety net for remote travel. The battery of the Model 2 is one of its most impressive features. Tesla equips it with next-generation aluminum-ion battery cells. This design aims to last more than 20 years with very little capacity loss. While most batteries lose around 20% within 8 years, these new cells can hold more than 85% capacity even after 10,000 charge cycles. At an average of 250 miles per charge, this adds up to more than 2.5 million miles over its lifetime. The pack also doubles as part of the vehicle's structure, improving strength and space efficiency. A dual-layer thermal management system keeps temperatures stable between 15 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius to slow down wear. The battery management system learns from billions of miles of data to balance performance and ensure cells age evenly. With battery replacement costs still between $8,000 and $16,000 today, this type of long-lasting pack removes one of the biggest ownership risks and makes the Model 2 a future-proof investment. So when all of this is combined, armor that laughs at damage, a driver that almost disappears, traffic that works around your schedule, a car that becomes what you need it to be, a mechanic that never rests, a connection lifeline where phones cannot reach, and a battery that could last longer than your mortgage, the $9,875 Tesla Model 2 becomes far more than just another car. It is a survival kit, a helper, an income booster, and a personal escape from the ordinary. In today's world of short-lived gadgets and disposable designs, Tesla has built a machine meant to stay with you for decades. The only real question left is not whether you want one, but how quickly you can get your hands on one before the rest of the world catches on.